s'abaisse, on s'abaisse, on se lève, on se lève, on saute, on saute, on saute, on saute.
On Saturday, 17th August 2024, the Washington West African Center successfully held their second annual Sounds of Africa Festival at Garfield Park in Everett. The purpose of the event is to create a harmonious gathering where people from various communities in Washington can come together to immerse themselves in the rich and authentic culture and traditions of Africa, which was successfully accomplished on this auspicious day. Musubakuto Sao, who served as the MC of the day, gave an insight about the festival, which was followed by the African Union Anthem by Wawak Bidu Choir, their Hear Us Out song, and their latest song, which was recorded few days before the event, song titled I Am an African Child.
It's a journey into the heart of Africa, showcasing the diverse and beautiful cultures that make up our continent. Let's all unite and celebrate together. The victories won for our liberation. Let us dedicate ourselves to rise together to defend our liberty and unity. Mommy and Daddy, thank you so much. Everything you do, we are so grateful. Mommy and Daddy, thank you so much. Everything you do, we are so grateful. I'm an African child, from the plains to the city streets, we celebrate. I'm an African child, I'm an African child, and so are
We are proud Africans, roots forever deep. We have forgiven all you did, but memories we just can't. For us to fix what is broken, you must give us what you've taken. Glory, viva, glory, Africa. Can you hear the rhythms of my land, and the music still stands? With my heritage so deep, my soul, the roots I keep. No one can defeat. I'm here to succeed.
That was followed by our Executive Director Pausman Juve, who thanked his staff and all the vendors that were present at the event.
I also want to thank my staff for the great job that they have done in putting this event together. It's not easy. All these days we've been working very hard to make this happen. It's the second year. We did it at the Everett Community College last year and brought it here this time around. It's bigger and we hope it will be better. To all our wonderful vendors, please give it up for yourselves. We have lots of vendors out there that are selling food, that are selling clothes, different things, and we have a lot of resource booths on this side as well. Please walk around to all of them and support them and patronize them. We appreciate this.
As part of WAWAC's priority areas for the year 2024 to 2025 includes building community power, and as such, our keynote speakers for the event was trial and appellate attorney with judicial experience, Mary Anderson, who spoke on the topic, Let's Talk Voting, the importance of voting locally. During her closing remarks, she made a provoking thought statement.
I'm a proponent of always exercising your right to vote, because if you don't vote, you are just allowing someone else to dictate what you can and cannot do. Any and every time you need to actually stand up for your right, stand up for another person's right as well. And I would like to leave you guys with 3 principles I live by. When someone shows you who they are, believe them. When you know better, do better. And when you're learn, teach. God bless you, God bless America, and God bless Snohomish County.
We celebrated vibrant rhythms, cuisines, and captivating fashions of Africa with electrifying live band performances by Pabobo Jobade, the Ganzango West African Dance and Music Group, the Kweate Arts, and other local artists. The stunning outfits of the fashion show expose the rich stories behind each traditional clothing of the different African tribes. It was a moment of joy and pride as we showcase our traditional African outfits beyond our continent. The event was a huge success for the community members and the different vendors present, ranging from real estate to the different African restaurants like Dida's Kitchen, an African heritage restaurant, Ghana Fusion, and different other vendors were present to give us African cuisines and display West African musical instruments, including other services. We created an venue where different fun activities were carried out, and our bouncy house for the kids was awesome and the kids really enjoyed it. At Washington West African Center, we are grateful to our partners, community members, and the different vendors who were present at the Sounds of Africa Festival 2.0. The event was also an opportunity for WAWAC to do outreach on COVID-19, domestic violence, WIC, the Working Families Tax Credit, and the Sutra Housing Project. Thanks to the Washington State Department of Commerce, the Department of Revenue, the Department of Health, the Community Foundation of Snohomish County, Valiant Health Commission, Arts Washington, and Inatai Foundation, without whose support the event would not have been successful. For more information or to learn more about WAWAC and the services we provide, contact us on 253-235-2132 or email us on info@wawac.org or visit www.wawac.org. Washington West African Center, connecting West Africans in Washington with local resources and bridge the gap between us and the wider community. If we don't have it, we go find it.